6 powerful foods to heal your kidneys after 50. Did you know that after age 50, your kidneys naturally lose a small percentage of their function every year? That means by the time you hit your golden years, your kidneys could be working harder than ever just to keep up. But here's the good news. The right foods can help protect and even rejuvenate them. Curious about how to keep your kidneys in tip-top shape? Let's dive in. Welcome to today's video, where we'll uncover 6 amazing foods that can help heal and protect your kidneys after 50. As we age, our kidneys face unique challenges, like a decline in filtering units, increased risks of high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and even structural changes like scarring and cysts. But here's the silver lining. The foods you eat can make a huge difference. By adding the right nutrients to your diet, you can slow kidney aging, reduce inflammation, and support your overall health. Stick around, because not only will I share the top 6 foods for kidney health, but I'll also give you simple, practical tips to incorporate them into your meals, making your diet a powerful tool for healing. Let's get started. 1. Olive oil. When it comes to kidney health, olive oil stands out as a nutritional powerhouse. It's naturally low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making it a safe and kidney-friendly choice, even for those with compromised kidney function. This heart-healthy oil is packed with beneficial nutrients like vitamins E and K, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major factors that can damage kidneys over time. One of the standout benefits of olive oil is its ability to support healthy blood pressure. After 50, blood vessels, including those supplying your kidneys, can stiffen and narrow, leading to increased blood pressure and kidney strain. Olive oil's healthy fats and phenolic compounds have been shown to relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and even prevent arterial plaque buildup. A 2021 study published in the Antioxidants Journal highlighted that hydroxytyrosol, a compound found in olive oil, can help protect against kidney damage. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is simple and delicious. Drizzle a tablespoon or 2 over fresh salads or roasted vegetables to enhance their flavor while boosting your nutrient intake. For cooking, stick to low heat to preserve the oil's beneficial properties. Or try mixing it with lemon juice or rosemary for a flavorful dressing or marinade. If you want to save money, buy quality olive oil in larger bottles and transfer it into smaller containers to prevent oxidation. Small changes like these can make a big difference for your kidneys. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries aren't just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their vibrant blue color. These antioxidants play a critical role in combating inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major contributors to kidney aging and damage. As we age, our body's natural defenses against these stressors weaken, making blueberries a perfect addition to a kidney-friendly diet. What makes blueberries even more special is their low potassium and sodium content, making them suitable for those with compromised kidney function. Unlike many fruits, they're gentle on your kidneys while still delivering a wealth of vitamins, fiber, and hydration. Incorporating blueberries into your meals is simple. Add a handful to your morning smoothie, mix them into oatmeal, or top off a bowl of Greek yogurt for a delicious and nutritious boost. For the best kidney protective benefits, aim for about half a cup to a cup daily. Looking to make this superfood budget-friendly? Buy blueberries in bulk during their peak season, typically in the summer, and freeze them for later. Simply rinse them before eating, and they'll stay fresh for up to 6 months. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones, making them a convenient and affordable way to keep your kidneys healthy year-round. 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are more than just a colorful addition to your plate. They're a nutritional powerhouse for kidney health. Packed with vitamin C, they offer 3 times the amount found in oranges, which is especially beneficial after 50 when the body's ability to absorb this essential vitamin declines. Unlike some other vitamin C-rich foods, red bell peppers are low in oxalates, making them a smart choice for preventing kidney stones. Beyond vitamin C, red bell peppers are loaded with other antioxidants like beta-carotene and phenolic acids, which combat inflammation and oxidative stress, key contributors to kidney aging. They also support healthy blood pressure and blood sugar regulation, two critical factors in protecting kidney function as we age. For anyone managing diabetes or hypertension, these benefits are a significant advantage. Incorporating red bell peppers into your meals is easy and delicious. Enjoy them raw by slicing them into salads for a crisp, refreshing crunch, or lightly sauté them with olive oil to bring out their natural sweetness. For a nutrient-packed boost, pair them with iron-rich foods like lentils or spinach. Vitamin C enhances the body's ability to absorb iron from plant-based sources. Whether raw or cooked, red bell peppers can easily become a regular part of your kidney-friendly diet. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a standout vegetable for those looking to support kidney health, especially after 50. This fiber-rich cruciferous vegetable helps maintain a healthy digestive system, which plays a vital role in removing toxins from the body, an essential function as the kidneys age. What's more, cauliflower is low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making it a kidney-friendly choice for those with reduced kidney function or on a restricted diet. The true magic of cauliflower lies in its anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds like indoles and sulforaphane help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, which are significant contributors to kidney damage over time. These same compounds also support overall cellular health, providing benefits far beyond the kidneys. Cauliflower's versatility in the kitchen makes it an easy addition to your diet. Roast it with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite spices for a crispy, flavorful side dish. Mash it as a low-carb alternative to potatoes for a creamy and satisfying meal. You can even use cauliflower rice as a base for stir-fries or grain bowls. Aim for about 1 cup 2 to 3 times a week to reap its full benefits. For added flavor and kidney support, pair roasted cauliflower with a sprinkle of turmeric and a side of wild salmon. This combination not only enhances taste, but also delivers a potent dose of anti-inflammatory nutrients that work together to protect your kidneys and overall health. 5. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a potent natural remedy for supporting kidney health, especially as you age. Rich in allicin and organosulfur compounds, garlic boasts impressive anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds help protect your kidneys from infections and reduce inflammation that can strain their delicate tissues over time. Another standout benefit of garlic is its role in blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, but garlic has been shown to help lower it naturally, easing the workload on your kidneys. A 2017 study even found that allicin could provide kidney protection comparable to some medications commonly prescribed for chronic kidney disease. To make the most of garlic's benefits, consider adding 1 to 2 minced cloves to your meals daily. Crushing or chopping garlic and letting it sit for a few minutes before cooking activates its beneficial compounds, like allicin. For a milder flavor, roast garlic until it becomes soft and caramelized, perfect for spreading on whole grain bread or mixing into mashed cauliflower. Garlic pairs beautifully with a wide range of kidney-friendly foods, such as sautéed vegetables, lean proteins, or even olive oil for a heart-healthy drizzle. If raw garlic feels too strong, try incorporating fermented black garlic, which is gentler on the stomach and easier to digest. Whether roasted or raw, garlic is a small but powerful addition to your diet that delivers big benefits for your kidneys. 6. Fish. When it comes to supporting kidney health after 50, fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are excellent choices. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, which are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, omega-3s help ease the strain on your kidneys and protect them from age-related damage. Fatty fish are also loaded with selenium and zinc, two essential minerals that often decline with age or in individuals with kidney concerns. These nutrients support the immune system, reduce inflammation, and combat anemia, making fish a nutrient-dense option for maintaining overall health. Additionally, omega-3s contribute to better cardiovascular health, and since the heart and kidneys are closely connected, keeping your heart strong also helps your kidneys function optimally. To incorporate fish into your diet, aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, with each serving around 4 to 6 ounces. Baking or grilling fish is a healthy and flavorful way to prepare it. Pair it with roasted cauliflower or a quinoa salad drizzled with olive oil for a complete, kidney-friendly meal. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption and adds a refreshing flavor. As we wrap up, let's recap the 6 powerhouse foods that can make a world of difference for your kidney health after 50. Olive oil, blueberries, red bell peppers, cauliflower, garlic, and fatty fish like salmon and trout are not just delicious. They're packed with nutrients and protective properties that support your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and help maintain optimal function as you age. Together, they provide a comprehensive, natural way to combat the challenges of aging kidneys while enhancing your overall well-being. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. From drizzling olive oil over a salad to adding blueberries to your breakfast, or pairing roasted cauliflower with a serving of baked fish, these simple dietary shifts can lead to long-term benefits for your kidneys and overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more life-changing health tips. Check out our other videos on kidney health and related topics. We've got plenty of practical advice waiting for you. Finally, we'd love to hear from you. What foods do you already enjoy from this list? Do you have any questions or tips for others who want to boost their kidney health? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.